Hey, poopers. Welcome to another video of hashtag straight poop. I'm Larry Gerber, the BarBeQue man. What do we have here today? We have venison shank, okay? That's the marrow in the bone. This one I cut the bone out, okay? So it's very nice. All I'm doing simply right now is grinding some pepper on them. Flipping them, doing the same. Salt. Get that off. Sea salt. Not much. Just enough to bring out the flavor. Flip it. There is no grade on this type of meat, but it's delicious. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this out to the grill. I'm going to grill it over some cherry or apple because I took down an apple tree on the back 40 about 3 years ago, and a friend of mine has a chipper and he chips them, but there's also a blade that's a die where you can put it in, slip it in and do chunks, and that's what I'm going to do. So or maybe put I don't know, maybe a different type of wood, who knows, could be pecan. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. Then I'm going to make a basting sauce of cannabis oil and a bunch of herbs and spices, and do that while we're grilling it. Okay, it's not going to take long. This is, although it came from the shank, it is very lean. I don't even need to jacquard it. If it was really tough, I would, but I don't have to in this application. So thanks for joining us here on hashtag straight poop. Poopers, I'm a pooper, you're a pooper, and we'll be right back on the outdoor set. Thanks. Hang loose. Hey poopers, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. I got those venison shanks on the pit. And, oh, my box dropped. Let me raise that again. And got some olive oil, garlic, ginger. It's olive oil, cannabis oil. I think I mentioned yesterday or a few days ago when we were marinating this that I found a new fruity one that I really like. So this is it. And this is venison, man. Very, very, very tender, okay? And you don't want to overcook it, that's for damn sure. So my brother-in-law, Dave, goes hunting. He dresses it in the field. That's the best way, man. I had a next door neighbor years ago go hunting and hang the damn thing in his garage, and my dogs would be howling, and he'd give me some meat and it would taste like blood because he didn't do it out in the field. So, or get it to the locker for them to do it right away. That's okay, man. This takes no time, okay? Nice and quick. In fact, if you were a good butcher and you dressed it in a field, you could probably cut one of these, but I doubt it, it's pretty ambitious. See how that looks. Okay. Yeah, baby. You know what? The grill marks don't mean shit, okay? Yeah, they're nice to look at, but the grill marks don't mean shit. It doesn't add any flavor. You know, I love how they say, oh, it's got grill marks. Of course it does. It's on a grill. But I don't do any cross-hatch stuff or any other bullshit. No. I just make great food. And you guys can too. You probably already do. But my cookbook could be a nice assistant. And you can get that by going to the comment section. Going to the top, there's a pinned comment. There's a link. Click on it. And 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, 90% are on the grill. Some are done inside, like our series here. But as far as our series goes, we're outside most of the time, unless it's below 30. And if it's above 30, we're cramming out here. I'm a professional TV show producer, director, executive producer. I've been in front and in back of the camera for nearly 30 years. I buy big cuts of meat and figure 4 or 5 videos in ahead so you guys can get all techniques. Nobody online is doing that for you or anybody else. Thanks for joining us here on #StraightPoop, always. My dogs love having her here. You know what I'm saying? Of course you do. You knows what I'm saying. I'm gonna get you a nice beauty shot. Are those beautiful? Venison. Shank. You can make this recipe too. It's in our cookbook, so make sure you grab that. It was published in 2018. So, yes, make sure you grab that. And again, poopers, thanks for joining us here. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose!